What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready to do our playoff pools. We're going to be doing one more of these. We already have 2 full. I believe only one more is coming your way. So best of luck. Here's your teams. Everyone's going to get matched up with one team, and you're pretty much going to be rooting for that team for the whole playoff. So let's do it. It is 12:45, and here's your list of names. Charles down to Jordan, and Tampa Bay down to Colorado. Guys, let's start with the teams first. Best of luck. Did I say that we're live? I did. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There's a timestamp. 3rd timestamp here is at 12:46. 12:46. Last and final will do it. And let's copy them over. Okay, 4th and final timestamp first should be at 12:46 again and 12:46. Washington to New Jersey. Actually, let's just take the whole list. Washington to Philly. There is your teams. Now we need the names to match them up with. Here we go. It is 12:46 still, and we got Charles down to Jordan, guys. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 12:46. 12:47 it just turned. We're on our last and final random here. Last and final random on the teams, guys. Here is who you have. It is 12:47 and 12:47 it is. Chris, top of the list, and Bob on the bottom. Here's your teams. Washington, Chris. Winnipeg, Rick. Vegas, Aaron. Nick, Colorado. Jarvis, Pittsburgh. Scott, Columbus. Michael, LA. Clay, New Jersey. Kyle, Anaheim. Jared, San Jose. Jason, Toronto. Nathan, Boston. Jordan, Minnesota. Charles, Nashville. Chris, Tampa Bay. And Philly is Bob. There is your teams and your players. We will see you later. Thanks for joining us, and best of luck.